go to bukkit.org. Go to Get Craft Bucket. Go to this one. Okay, where is it? Download this. Of course, choose the magical free. Just wait for this to finish. I canceled it because I already have it on my right here. When you get that, you will have something like run, and like a few other folders. So what you do is, well, you go back to Bucket, you go back to Get Craft Bucket, and you get the latest recommended build. When you download that, put that in your Bucket server file, and you hit run, or whatever the startup one is on there. And then you let that load, you exit out, and you open it again, and voila! To get plugins, you will have a little thing called plugins folder. And you just go on here, get plugins, let's see, sign commands. Once you find the one you want, you find where the download is. Something like that may pop up. You go into your downloads, take your new plugin, and you drag and drop. And that's it for that. Some things like permissions, you download that, you open it up, all this stuff. What you need is users that it already has this for some, and you type in a name with a few spaces. Do not use tab, and then a few spaces in. Permissions, that group VIP. That's my VIP, dude. He donated. So these are the groups. Default, permissions. These are all the things that these people can do. For default, permissions build will be false. So people who first join the server will not be will not be allowed to build anywhere. So you have to change this to true. And then if you go down here, it's all these others for other plugins and stuff. VIP2, they can do essentials, they can do chat suit groups, they can do everything else VIPs can. Moderators, they can do kick, time, ban, TP here, jump to, groups, moderator, true. So they can do stuff in like factions, I think, and stuff. And then they get everything VIPs do. And then admins, all this stuff, and what moderators can do. And then this is owner, which is me, of course. And then permissions, whatever, everything admins do. Permissions, true, true, inheritance, admins. So this is like the pretty much format of it. If you wanted to make another, I suggest you copy and change it to whatever you want. Permissions, I'll just let them have inheritance VIP. I think caps does count, pretty sure they do. So when you mess around with this, make sure you know what you're doing. Like some mods like this, permission nodes. So copy these and let's put them for moderator. Space in the correct amount. Paste. Oh no, that's not something you want to do. Okay, so one line. And you paste. One of a time. I know it can get boring, but just to make sure it works, you kind of want to. So, just stuff like that. I wish is there one here that allows everything? There probably is. Whatever. So, yep, that's what you do. This is just run on from that. Just keep doing this. There's a little dot back there. I don't think you want to include those. But, after you do plugins, it's probably wise to restart the server. So, when you're done with this, pretty much skip to that. And, I'll get back to you when I'm done with this. Copying all of these into there, of course. Okay, I'm back, and I've gotten all of them. I think there's like 10 of them, I don't know. So, when this is done, make sure to know all the commands and stuff. Ooh, that's lovely, lots of them. And when you're done, it's probably nice to just say something like restarting server, come back in like 5 seconds. Then you just exit out. And you hit run. And that's it.